I finished a deep dive audit on 57 active Seller Central accounts, and the overall data showed me one big flaw that almost all of them missed, and it was other charges, right? And we can see right here, money just getting burned because other, nobody knows what that means. It's not defined. It's a category Amazon puts charges in, and they don't explain it, which shouldn't be allowed in my professional opinion. So you can see this is an example of one. It literally just says others, and then they charge $5,000. And they don't wait. They charge your credit card right away and then pull out the money. And this is when you are not suspended. It's just a regular day on Amazon. It has happened. Here's another one right here. This one's from 2025, but this one, $11,000. And this happened. Then the client reached out to us, and we were full-time going at this to get the money back, right? And it is a full-time job because Amazon hates giving money back to sellers. If you're a buyer, it's a different story. And this has been happening to just randomly to sellers, and it's probably happening to you. You just don't know. So you can see over $4,000 in other charges. And he's just guessing. He's like, maybe it's this, it could be this, but he doesn't actually know. It just says it says other. So they charge them an extra $2,300 in Amazon's fees, and an extra $1,850 in FBA fees. So again, a little concerning for sure. And if we scroll down, he's trying to contact, he's going back and forth, and then finally they're just trying to make an explanation, Amazon. And here's the sad part is nobody actually knows what the heck's going on, right? Another one, unexplained other charges. This one was 4 months ago. And then this person is saying that Amazon is trying to use our money to pay the FTC fine of $2.5 billion. So they're using sellers' money, their third-party sellers, taking their money bit by bit to pay off a big bill. And I totally believe that is happening, unfortunately. Like, who's going to catch them? They do it all the time. If you get your account suspended, the money just disappears. You're like, where'd it go? You're like, where'd it go? And you get your account back, and almost all your money's gone. So where'd it go? Amazon took it. Another one, more chargebacks. And it says for this seller, their other fees, right? Their other fees. Other Amazon charge is up 137%. How is this up 137%? It's completely insane, right? But we know somebody's taking the money, and it's not us, it's Amazon. Amazon's getting a big fat check because they're able to put in other charges. Fortunately, Amazon, they said, okay, well, we got to put some people on this because we can't make this a big deal that we're skimming the top. So where's my money? And this is an actual Amazon employee trying to explain what the other charges are. So first he says that it could be monthly subscription fees. Okay, I don't know why they put it on an other. It could have its own area. It could be A to Z guarantee claims, which makes no sense. And then this one's pretty bad. Account corrections. What does that even mean? Adjustments. What is adjustment? So this is the same thing. Adjustments. So anyway, that was pretty. So anyway, they said 3 monthly subscription fees, A to Z. So it's got to be one of these 3, right? No. Another rep came on, and here's another rep 2 weeks ago. And then he says, oh, this is what other charges are. And then he says something completely different. He says other charges are FBA removal fees. And he goes a little crazy. He says it's FBA removal fees, long-term storage fees. Anyway, the bad part is one rep said it's most likely these. And now this rep is saying it's most likely something completely different. So they don't know. And it's very sad to see this, that nobody knows, nobody's telling. So it's a huge contradiction here where we saw sellers getting charged $11,000, $5,000 on the forms $4,000, and nobody can explain to them what it is. And you can see right here, 47 dislikes. 47, obviously, we know it's BS. I don't even know if they just like pasted a script, because it's just very sad to see this, right? But of course, you want to log into Amazon and dispute this as quickly as possible, right? So I get people are just going at it, trying to get this resolved. Amazon is not helping. So this is a full-time job. But the first thing that I want you to do is at least log into Amazon and check it out yourself. So you can go into payments, right? Once you're in payments, go to transaction view, just click down on other, and just click update. And then what we'll see is just random. Sometimes you see like, what the heck is going on when you see these types of fees. You need somebody to get on them as quickly as humanly possible. So somebody that can monitor this, because we see these random charges, if you can see, of 8 cents, right? Weight fee adjustment. We ship FBA. Why are they charging us more now? This is just very weird that randomly it's a weight change. Did they get it wrong? If they get it wrong, so they're charging us. But here it goes. It went from 8 cents to $1.28, and it gets worse. It's 67 pages worth. And this was in the last, I'm pretty sure this is the last 30 days. So 67 pages. I could see, okay, 8 cents. But then you look at the bottom, you're like, oh my gosh, wait a second, 67 pages. And this is why you need to stay on top of your Amazon Seller Central account, because something that's small, you're like, oh, it's an 8 cent. Wait a second, they charged me 5,000 times. And all of a sudden, 8 cents bill, which is like becomes 800. So it's completely absurd. Stay on top of this. That's the biggest thing I've seen. Everybody knows ads, inventory storage fees. Those are pretty evident. But this is hidden, and they're purposely hiding it from you. You do need to contact Amazon. Obviously, just start from the beginning. But if you do need any help on Amazon, we're here to help. You can just contact us directly on our website, EHP Consulting Group. The link's right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. We do have an inventory team. They go through all of your inventory, all of your charges, triple back, look at everything. And then we make a big appeal to Amazon. Once we have that appeal, we work our way up for escalation to get that money clawed back. It's a full-time job, unfortunately, but we can do it for you. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, signing out.